by and take a look at the 2015 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, power windows, compass, electronic stability control, trip computer, CD player. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.